First off, what are we going to do here is we'll need to create a page called cards. Okay, so let's go to pages. For now, we only have the product detail on our pages. Okay, we'll do new Dart file. Then we're going to give this cart for the shopping cart, right? Okay, afterwards I will add this file to Git. Now let us, since we have this, I guess we can go back to the view I like, which is this. Import. Don't worry about the colors of the file. This just means I didn't upload this to the Git repository, and I will do that as soon as possible. Now we're going to import what? I hope you guys know that we first have to import the Flutter material.dart. Now what we're going to do is to create a stateful widget, and we're going to call this cart or shopping cart as you want, but I'll just give it cart. What is this widget going to return? Let's go back to, it's going to return a scaffold. Okay, and let's go here to the product details because I want to copy something. And now, let's go to the main. I want to copy the app bar. You don't need to copy, you can write this again, but since we're going to be doing this over and over and over again, I just want to spare some time, so I'll just copy the app bar settings, if I may define them like that, and I will paste this good stuff. This down here we can just delete, it's not required. And for the title, I'm going to give cart or shopping cart, depends on you. And for this page, for now it's all. We need to call the page now, and I think that it's easy for you guys now to do that. Shopping cart, just come over here, write navigator dot push context. Okay, and before this, I'm forgetting, we need to import the file. Import package dot pages, and inside of the pages we're going to import the cart.dart. So now you can use it. Okay, route, you're going to give material page route, a function which takes the context as an attribute and returns new cart. Okay, you close this stuff here. Is it everything? Okay, cart with the capital C, that was the problem. So what to do now? I'll rerun the app. I don't want to control save it. Did I? No, I didn't. Okay, let's try. And here you have it. Okay, I guess it's okay. Now we want to be able to call that from here as well. It's simple. Just come to the I would just copy and paste, but okay, I want to give you guys a chance to practice and remember how is it done. So we can come here and write navigator.push context. Okay, no problem. And here we're going to give material page route, and we're going to call a function which take the context as the attribute and returns new cart. Needs to be capital. Okay, you can control save this, no issue whatsoever, and you can as well call it from here. Okay, so what else? Now we'll start working with this stuff here. Let's open this up. We need to zoom in a bit. App bar here, and we will go down here and going to give bottom navigation bar is what we want, one of the properties of the scaffold. And for the bottom navigation bar, we will give new container. I'm going to give the color of the container to colors dot white, and as a child of the container I'm going to give a row. Okay, and children over the row. Then down here for the children, first let's create expanded widget. For the child I will give list tile, of course. Okay, list tile. And for the title of the list tile, we're going to give new text widget. Inside of the text widget, you're going to write the total amount. I'm facing a problem. Oh, I misspelled this text. Okay, and then we're going to provide the subtitle property, and for the subtitle we're going to give new text. I'm so sorry for the new, it's just a habit. You don't need to write it, and just putting a value as a placeholder here, and the value is $230. Then what are we going to do is create another expanded widget. I'm going to create a child, new material button. On press for now we'll give just an empty function. Oops. And then down here we're going to provide the child of this new text checkout. And another property of the material button is the color. We're going to give colors dot red, and for the text I'm going to give style text style colors dot white. Okay. Here we have it. So down here at the very bottom of the page, we'll have a total on the left side, then we'll have the amount, then the checkout button, which is going to take you to the payment section afterwards. Now we need to work with the body of this, but I guess that this video was already long enough, so I will try to stop. I will not try, I will just stop here, and for the next video we will work with the content of the card page.